So I have a table, small query made based on that table. And I have a form called products F. And I have this user interface which I've created, and I have a create button. Let me show you what code I have. So I'll go to design view, click on create, event tab, dot, 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 and only one line of code. With one line of code, I'm creating, updating the data in the database, and I'm populating that record onto the continuous form. And I'm using the module, and I'm using the classes, and I'm using the function to achieve this. And this is what I demonstrated. If you want to watch full video, make sure that you become member of this channel so you can learn that how did I use one line of code and create the function to actually capture the data in the database, and not only that, display that data onto the continuous form. So go ahead, become a member of this channel, and you watch this exclusive content.